welcome to this delightful evening where we celebrate a king of men, a man of great inspiration, vision, and who's guided our great kingdom with his wisdom, touched our hearts with his kindness, and has bequeathed a solid legacy of impact both locally and globally.
I have the honor and privilege to welcome you all to this evening's dinner to celebrate a remarkable milestone.
Hip hip, hip hip, ladies and gentlemen.
I pray that the good Lord blesses you with many more years to continue your reign and to be the amazing father, husband, grandfather, and patriarch that you are to us all.
And to drink to the continued success, to good health, to the masterful leadership that our king has rendered to his people, to Ghana and beyond. To the king.
I thank you all in a deep sense of gratitude for being here tonight. I assure you and I promise you that the confidence that you've had in me, I still will continue with that promise, and I will do my best, and I promise you I'll lead you with truth, honesty and integrity, and anything that comes out of me will be with integrity.